Hello, stock traders. I hope all of you are having a fantastic day. Boy, it is nice to see the market bouncing back this morning. And in today's video, I'm going to give you 3 stocks that had significant insider activity reported yesterday in Form 4s. And so looking forward to this report. There's lots of good stuff going on month to date. Personally, I am at a 1.63% loss. But year to date, I am at a 170.85% gain. I say that only to say this: if you have a solid strategy, you can have triple-digit gains each and every year. Now, I am not a financial advisor. I do not want to be held responsible for your trade results, but there's some good information in here, and following the insiders has been very successful for me, and so it can be successful for you also. But before I get started in this video, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button and also if you please hit that subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when one of these videos comes out. We have a link for our Patreon group down below, and you'll be glad that you joined that group. For only $27 a month in our basic membership, you can get these picks sooner. You can see different other things like PDUFA run-up plays and some different things and get some different stock alerts as far as that goes. It is a great service. I hope to see you there. Okay, let's get right into it. Let's not waste any time. We've got 3 good insiders to cover and go through. And the first is going to be EVRG, ticker symbol EVRG, and my price target for this in the short term is $65.50. I think it can get as high. I think it can get as high as the all-time high here at $70, so I think it can really get up there. John Wilder, director, continues to load shares and reported in a Form 4 yesterday. Showed 3 more business days being reported, and so that is, 2 more business days reported, and it is looking very good. John Wilder has been loading up shares here, so he feels very confident on the overall he feels confident in his company, and so I think it could move up also. All right, let's go to number 2, and I think number 2 is definitely a very safe stock. Yeah. All right, and this is Safehold, ticker symbol SAFE. My price target for this is $100 a share. iStar continues to purchase, and now we've had 8 business days in a row of iStar purchases on Safehold, so that is pretty awesome. Last year, they had a stretch of 32 business days in a row where they purchased shares, and the stock went steadily up from right around the 50s all the way up to 70s. And in 2019, 2020, it went all the way from $25 all the way up to around 50. And they did 167 business days in a row of a purchase of around $1 million. Well, this one looks a lot like that one, and that was done in 2019 going into 2020, and it appears that they are doing the same thing 2021 and hopefully into 2022. So I think this is one, it still hasn't moved yet. So if you've missed out on this and you're thinking, oh, they've already had 8 business days in a row and it's moved up a bunch, you haven't missed out on much. We haven't even had a MACD Golden Cross down here yet. That looks like that's about to happen. You can see the RSI is a fantastic value at 36. This is a momentum indicator showing that we are moving upwards in momentum. So this is a good one to catch, get in on, and move up. It's only up 0.42% today. So I think it's one that you could do really, really well with. And so I think $100 a share is going to be pretty easy. That's where most analysts are on this, and especially if the insider activity continues, it could probably even get above that. But that's what I'm looking for, and that's what I'm seeing as far as everything goes. All right, let's go to number 1. Number 1 is Performant Financial, ticker symbol PFMT. All right, so Performant Financial. Okay, and Phil Prohick, 10% owner, has loaded shares 3 days in a row. So like that a lot, probably murdering that last name. So far since reporting, it's up 6.65% so far today, but I think it has a lot further to go. My price target for this is $4.60. Back here where it got it got this is resistance up here at 460, and it got denied from that point there, but it was climbing nicely up to it and then got denied. But now that we've had insider activity, I could see it going here and even past here, and so this really looks like a great stock to be in, and you should be able to make some great money with it. I wish all of you the best on the stock market. Please stick with it. You know, it can be tough when you are looking at a correction and everything that's kind of happened within the SPY, and you can take a look at it and go, you know, I don't know if investing is for me. Well, if I would have done that, you can see this ABC correction that filled out here, but if I would have done that every time there was a correction, I wouldn't be investing today. And you know, you got to stick with it. You got those strategies. You got to find a good strategy and stick with it and be diligent each and every day. Wish you all the best in the stock market, and Raythoven out.